In this episode of On Patrol, I encounter a man who appears confused and does not respond to my voice. His eyes are very wide, indicating the possibility of stimulant abuse. I had to call local police to conduct a wellness check on this subject. After lengthy observation and engagement by police, the subject was transported to a local hospital.
Security, Syborg.
Store's closed, time to go. You alright? Sir, are you okay? Is there something wrong? Yeah, it's right here. Rear driver's side. Yeah, it's right here. Rear driver's side.
How long has he been here? You know?
It's possible he's been here all day. Now, I've seen him a couple of times recently in the last week and a half or so, and I asked him because he was just standing there leaning against his vehicle smoking, and I was trying to strike up conversation and find out why he was just standing there for hours, smoking, and he said he had some time to kill.
Okay.
So
you never saw him actually drive or anything?
No, he's up on the curb there, but he was staring. His eyes really big, like he just didn't understand anything I was saying to him.
Okay. Sounds good. We'll take care of it.
All right.
You want to move on, I'm assuming, right? And all
Yeah,
that?
yeah. Thank you.
Trespass from the store, or?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.